If you've ever walked along a coastline after high tide, you've probably seen long ribbons of seaweed piled up along the sand. Most people step over it, but coastal farmers know better. They don't see seaweed as debris, they see it as one of the most powerful soil enhancers nature has ever created, an ancient, renewable gift from the ocean that can transform weak, tired soil into a thriving, living growing bed bursting with life. Today we're diving deep into this incredible gardening resource, what it is, how to use it, why it works, and how you can start benefiting from it no matter where you live. Welcome back to Soilsage Chronicles, where we uncover the hidden soil wisdom that most gardeners never get to learn. Whether you grow in the backyard, balcony pots, or small farmlands, this one is for you. Along coastal regions from Ireland to Japan to the Pacific Islands, farmers have used seaweed for generations. They didn't have synthetic fertilizers, commercial composts, or packaged soil boosters, just the land and what nature offered. And what nature offered from the sea was nothing short of magic. Seaweed grows in mineral-rich ocean water and absorbs nutrients directly through its surface. Unlike land plants that depend on root systems, seaweed takes in everything straight from its environment. That means every strand of seaweed is packed with trace minerals, growth hormones like cytokinins and auxins, amino acids, calcium, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and iron, and, powerful microbial boosters. When added to soil, seaweed doesn't just feed plants, it wakes the soil up. And that, my friends, is the key. You see, healthy soil is alive, while weak soil is, well, kind of dead. Seaweed helps bring the life back. Let's get practical here for a moment. Seaweed isn't just a fertilizer, it's a biostimulant, meaning it improves plant health and soil function on a deeper level. First up, it boosts microbial activity. Healthy soil thrives on microbial life, bacteria, fungi, and microscopic organisms that break down organic matter, support roots, and protect plants. Seaweed acts like a feast for these microorganisms. When they eat, your soil becomes more fertile. Next, it improves soil structure. Seaweed contains natural gels like alginates that help soil hold water without becoming waterlogged. This is perfect for sandy soils that drain too fast, or clay soils that get compacted. Then, it strengthens plant immunity. Plants treated with seaweed tend to be more resistant to diseases, drought stress, and pest damage. The natural plant hormones in seaweed encourage stronger root systems and faster recovery from shock, especially important for seedlings and transplants. And finally, it promotes better flavor and higher nutrient density. Gardeners who grow vegetables with seaweed swear the produce tastes richer. Healthier soil produces healthier plants. Healthier plants produce better food. It's that simple. Now let's talk about options. Fresh seaweed is, honestly, the best choice if you live near the coast. You'll want to collect seaweed that has washed ashore, not anything actively harvested from the ocean floor. Just give it a quick rinse to remove excess salt. Although, most garden soils can tolerate the small amount that's left. You can use it as mulch layered around your plants, chopped and mixed into compost piles, or even buried into your beds about 2 weeks before planting. Dried seaweed is easy to store and crush, making it a great option for gardeners who live inland. All you have to do is simply crumble it and add it to your soil like a mineral supplement. Liquid seaweed extract is available pretty much worldwide, and honestly, it's the fastest way to feel the difference in your plants. Just dilute it with water and use it as a foliar spray, so your plants can absorb it right through their leaves. Or, you can use it as a seed soak for accelerated germination, and even as a root drench to help with transplant recovery. If you've never tried seaweed before, liquid extract is definitely the easiest entry point. So, this is where your gardening journey really gets real. The key with seaweed is, well, consistency. You don't actually need a lot, just regular feeding will do the trick. For compost boosting, just add about 10 to 20% seaweed to your compost pile. It'll speed up decomposition and help you create darker, richer compost. So, as garden bed mulch, you can lay fresh or dried seaweed directly on the soil surface around your plants. It really does a few things. It locks in moisture, feeds slowly over time, and, thanks to its texture, it actually deters slugs and pests. Now, as a liquid fertilizer, you just mix store-bought seaweed concentrate according to the instructions, but if you want to make your own, here's what you do. Fill a bucket with chopped seaweed, cover it with water, and let it sit for about 2 to 4 weeks. After that, you just strain it, and use the liquid. Sure, it smells like the ocean, but honestly, your soil will love you for it. When I first started experimenting with seaweed, I honestly expected slow results. I mean, soil improvement usually takes time, right? But seaweed works faster than you think. The first change I noticed wasn't in the plants, it was actually in the soil. Dry, dull soil started looking darker, softer, and way easier to work. Plants that had looked weak and pale started producing stronger stems and deeper green leaves. My leafy greens, they doubled in vigor. And those tomato seedlings that once struggled with transplant shock, they bounced back within just a few days. And the taste, it's, unbelievable. The richness in homegrown vegetables becomes something you can feel in your bones. You can actually taste the soil health. This question comes up often. Does seaweed add too much salt to soil? Not really. After a quick rinse, or even just a shake to remove excess sand, seaweed contains only trace salt levels. Unless you garden in extremely arid soil with no rainfall at all, salt is not a problem. There's something grounding, almost ancient, about gathering seaweed, preparing it, and adding it to the soil. It reminds us that gardening is not just about feeding plants, but about honoring natural systems. Seaweed isn't a synthetic booster that forces growth. It nurtures. It restores. It teaches patience, balance, and observation. Values every great farmer needs. When you build your soil, the soil builds your garden. When the garden thrives, you thrive. If you're looking to revive poor soil, strengthen your vegetable garden, or simply grow food that tastes like food should taste, seaweed is a gift waiting to be used. Whether fresh from the ocean or bottled in extract form, this ancient fertilizer unlocks the natural intelligence of your soil. So next time you see seaweed, don't walk past it. Pick it up, respect it, and let it feed your growing space. If this kind of soil wisdom inspires you, then you're in the right place. Subscribe to Soilsage Chronicles, share this article with a fellow gardener, and help spread the knowledge that keeps our soil alive, our gardens abundant, and our world nourished. Let's grow deeper, together.